what are those historical parallels? For example, the Industrial Revolution, mechanization of agriculture, any of those sort of historical parallels that can help us understand whether AI will marginalize or elevate labor, and how is this time fundamentally different? History gives us, interestingly enough, some reference points. The Industrial Revolution certainly displaced craft labor, but created factories and new middle-class jobs. The mechanization of agriculture pushed millions of farms, but into urban economies that boomed. So each wave of automation did hurt in the short term, but long term, it reorganized labor, not just erased it. But this time is different. AI isn't just automating tasks, it's automating thinking. It doesn't just make humans more productive, it increasingly replaces the need for them altogether, both physically and cognitively. And unlike past tools, AI improves itself. It scales exponentially, not linearly. In previous transitions, displaced labor found refuge in new industries, in textile, in services, in tech. But if machines now write code, design products, they diagnose illness, and learn faster than we do, what refuge is left? The difference now isn't just in what's being automated, it's the possibility that all forms of labor could eventually be marginalized. And if value creation no longer needs people, we're not just talking about economic disruption, we're talking about rewriting the human role in the economy entirely.